Are you looking for a powerful, open source way to monitor your infrastructure, visualize your data, and gain deep insights from your logs, metrics, and traces, all in one place? So, whether you're a developer, DevOps engineer, or just starting your observability journey, Grafana Labs has the tools to help you build stunning dashboards and achieve full stack visibility with ease. Grafana Labs is the company behind Grafana, the world's leading open source observability platform, trusted by millions of users and thousands of companies worldwide. With Grafana, you can query, visualize, alert on, and explore your metrics, logs, and traces, no matter where they're stored. The platform is built for flexibility with support for 100 plus data sources, pre-built solutions, and seamless integrations for everything from Kubernetes and databases. Grafana Labs offers both self-hosted and fully managed cloud options, including a robust free tier that provides 1,000 Prometheus metrics, 50 gigabytes each for logs and traces, and access 20 plus enterprise plugins. You can also get a real-time dashboard, incident response management, synthetic testing, and team collaboration features. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up Grafana, connecting your first data source, building a dashboard, and exploring advanced features like alerting and incident management. Plus, we'll also share tips to help you get the most out of Grafana Labs for your monitoring and observability needs. First things first, head over to grafana.com and you should be able to see this. So click on the This Create Account option. You do not need a credit card for this part. You just need an email and your details. Then from in there, it should be able to actually show you in here this. This is their cloud portal once you're done signing up. I have in here my cloud stack. Just click on launch option right here in order to launch it. And this is actually what your cloud stack will look like once it's done loading. This is your dashboard. So you can explore right here using the demo data. So we also have a sandbox account as well as monitor your account usage. As you can see, they come with 14 days free trial, and you can also add users to your account right here. You can see in here the data for your usage, such as metrics, bytes, traces, synthetics, and a lot more. For this case, let's head over and start with the demo data in order to show you what it will look like. So what you're seeing on the screen right here is the actual data for the observability of an application. You can see in here the services for that as well as the service maps. And you can see in here this red mark, which means that there's an error for this. So in here, you can also reset your data sources so you can connect your own application if you would want. Now let's head back right here into our home page. So from in there, you can see a lot more things like the actual dashboard right here. Now in here, we already have the full spectrum of your dashboard. So you can click onto this option right there, and you can see in here the dashboard for business health, logs, overview, performance statistics, and the like. So a- some cases, this means that your dashboard is like a folder containing all of your data through this way. You can expand the cloud right here and you can see the managements for that as well as usage insights and the like. For example, seeing here the management for this. You can find in here the metrics as well as top labels. We also have in here series, total labels, and unique options. So from in there, you can also see a lot of things after this part. Now let's head back and we can also see in here the usage insights available. So from in there, you can see the total insights events, data sources, dashboard users, as well as user scene. You can actually find them right there, and you can see in here the top 10 dashboards, top 10 data sources, users, and errors. From in there, you can also see in here that we have the alert manager. You can click on the alert manager from in there, and you can see in here all of the active alerts configured as well as the active silences. You can refresh this as well in order to see the logs volume, issues encountered, and the likes. So for example, we have in here this new feature of Grafana, which is a drill down. You can drill down your data using Grafana's powerful queryless applications using this case. You can click on what kind of data. I have chosen metrics onto this part. And in here, it will choose in here the data source. So as of right now, the data source that we have right now is my own data or domain. You can find in here the metrics for that. Here you also have the option to click onto this plus icon and import a new dashboard based on this. We also have the alerts and IRM based on this part. And in here, you can connect new data source if you would want. You can click onto this view option right there and click onto this add new data source. So if you want to connect your own website, you can choose in here what kind of time series databases it's actually running into. We have SQL, cloud, and also a lot more like enterprise plugin that we can see in here as well. So just install what kind of source you have. For example, for this case, let's head over and choose in here the MySQL. You can click on that, then add it on your core. As you can see, data source has been added, so you can explore data or build a dashboard based on this. Click onto this add visualization, and then choose in here the data source that it's gonna come from altogether right here. Then for the part, this will load, and in here you can see the data source option. You can load in here the data set, and then choose the corresponding tables, operations, columns, and alias after that. So you can actually customize it to your liking, and do take note that each data source has different settings, so you can just test it out on your own if you would want. You can also change the view for this and enable table view and likes. Now in here you can also see that you have a cloud provider. On this cloud provider, you can choose which kind of cloud provider for instant observability you're gonna get. They have Google Cloud, Azure, and Amazon Web Service. Now you can also get the observability and monitor your actual application using this part. Just head over and click onto this connect data option and add in here a connection for your actual application. Just choosing here the integration where it's hosted, and then you can actually manage it all together from there. So thank you for watching our Grafana Labs tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your team. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on open source monitoring, observability, and productivity tools. So, what would you like to visualize with Grafana? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.